So I've made over 6.9K from this channel posting history documentary videos. And as you can see, if you look here, the videos are about 1 hour long. Why do I do this? It's if you have 1 hour long videos, you can cram infinite ads into them. And most people, most of my audiences are out of older audiences, right? So most of them are seniors, which makes it RPMs go even higher, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter this niche, because I would say I'm one of the only ones that will actually reveal my channel strategies that are still working on YouTube. When people review their channels, it's probably because their channels are dead. As you can see, if we go over here, last 7 days, this channel's made 1.7K, right? It's something that's still actively making me money. And I have several other channels just like this. So I don't mind reviewing this channel as long as you will execute, because I want a network of people. I'm on a goal to turn 1,000 ordinary creators into actual profitable YouTubers. And because if I do this, well, I'll have the best networking group, and I'll have the group that will be prepared for GTA 6. GTA 6 is a game that will make several creators millionaires, and I want to be a part of the group that capitalizes on the opportunity the best. Okay? So some background on this channel. And again, it is, CST. It's not some trash currency. So it's USD. And if we go ahead and refresh, as you can see, 6.9K. Now, I want you to understand something, right? This niche moves incredibly quickly, right? And as you can see, the views are incredibly valuable. 1.2 million views to get 7K USD is really good. That's $6 RPM. That's what I'm saying. You do not have the time to post for free and not get paid on it. All the channels I'm starting are all pre-monetized accounts, right? So if you want to do YouTube the right way, if you want to enter high risk niches, high reward niches, you want to make sure that you have a pre-monetized channel. So before YouTube catches on whatever you're doing, you're already monetized and you've already cashed out. The reason that there's channels still stands, right? Because sometimes YouTube's AI nowadays is all over the place. Sometimes you could start a channel like this, put all the effort into it, making all these videos, and then suddenly when you apply for monetization, they'll reject your monetization. It's happened to me before. But if I go back in that same niche with the pre-monetized channel, I'm already earning from my first week. So you want to go ahead and start off the right way. Click the link below if it's still there to grab your own pre-monetized channel, and I'll book a call and we'll see if you're qualified for it. But now let me go ahead and show you how you can generate these videos, right? Obviously with AI. I'm not going to share our in-house tool that we use to generate the videos. I'm going to show you how you can make yours. I'm not going to sell it to you. I'm not going to be one of those. I'll sell it to you for $300 when you can build it for free with Claude Code. And I'm going to point you in the right direction how you can go ahead and build your own video generator. But before that, I want to show you how you can come up with actual viral video ideas that can go virally to make money. This week alone, we've had multiple videos get over 50K views. As you can see right here, we had, in the last month, 153K right there on a $6 RPM niche. That is so good. So let's go ahead and watch the video first to even understand what we're doing.
Flush out swollen legs. Stop doing this first. I'm going to show you something about foot and ankle swelling that might surprise you. Most folks have heard of lymph nodes, but what nobody talks about are these tiny...
On the morning of June 10th, 1944, a German prisoner named Wilhelm, no surname survives in the record, was handed a shovel by an American sergeant on a hillside above Omaha Beach. He had been captured 2 days earlier. He still wore his field gray tunic, now stripped of insignia. The sergeant pointed toward a row.
As you can see right here, all you have is a voiceover, and you have your captions, and you have your script, which we're going to generate with AI, and we have these footage that we find on the internet. Now, you may be watching this video thinking, oh, okay, so this is manual editing because you actually have to find their images and the videos. But no, all these bureaus you're seeing here are not found manually by humans. It's an AI agent that takes the script that you give it and searches the internet and find the right footage for each time frame. It's going to go on the internet, search for hidden World War II footage, and it's going to find videos for you, or images, and it's going to insert it and add it all up together. All we do is give the AI the transcript. All we do is give the AI a freaking script. Once they give you the script, it does the rest. And now let me show you something, because you may think, oh, this is out of reach for you and you can't actually do this. Let me show you. I'm merely a fish in the fish tag. There's so many other channels doing this. I'm not the only one. Here's another channel. You think they're sitting there manually making these videos? No. We're all using AI. So we coded up in-house AI tools, and it's easy to make. I'm not trying to make it sound like unachievable. I'm going to show you how you can make your one. That's going to find you these bureau footages, piece it together using Cloud Code. I'm not the only one. It's another time. As you can see right here, they upload in 3 times a day. More than 5 times a day, actually. All doing really well. It's another channel. Or Too Savage. Only 63 videos so far. Popping off so well. I'm going to show you how we make all these thumbnails as well with AI. Okay? We're not paying anyone. It just AI can do everything nowadays. We have another channel here. This just started. 26 videos. Do you now understand how within reach this actually is? There's countless other channels like this doing it just because they took action. Here's another channel. Just started. 32 videos. Already seeing some views. All right? Here's another channel. 300 love views. All right? Now, you've probably seen this channel before, but this is the big one. All right? Be made over 500 videos, almost 500 videos so far. Made a lot of money from this, as you can see. And if you get a monetized channel, you can start getting paid from your first video. Why would you not want to get paid from your first video? You want to walk for free, right? You can even make back an investment, because most people would think monetized channels are expensive. They're not. You can make it, start today, and make back all your investment this week if you enter the right niches, like the one I'm literally showing you for my own channels. That's working right now. No one else is giving you this much sauce on YouTube right now. So let's go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and either start essentially copying these niches. Okay? So copy the URL, and obviously I'm going to paste it here so it's easier to see for everyone. So we're going to open it and visit our channel, okay? Obviously, first things we want to do is our video ideas. How do we get video ideas that go viral? If you're not getting viral-worthy video ideas, you're not going to go viral. So this is what you do. I'm going to show you, I'm going to pretend I'm just like you, sitting on that couch, laying in bed, watching this video, learning how to do YouTube. This is what you would do, okay? Copy the link to my channel, go over to this website, okay? Go over to vhun.app/studio/transcript. Click entire channel, paste the link, and choose your number of videos. Now, you should normally choose 100 videos, but for the case of this tutorial, I'm going to choose 10 videos. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us some transcripts of the videos that we're going to use to learn from, train our AI to write our scripts the same, to give us title ideas, to give us video ideas that would actually go fire, right? Now that this is happening, let me tell you how we're going to make aesthetic thumbnails like this, right? And show you our process. And it's simple as hell. It's the most simplest thing, okay? So you want to make sure that you have access to something like this. Either you use Higsuit or you use Gemini. You need an image model, an AI image model, okay? Like these thumbnails are all made by AI for my other niches. And you're going to put a prompt like this. This is telling it to learn from the screenshot that we're going to attach, to learn from the style of thumbnails. And after that, whenever we give it a new video title, it's going to use the same style to generate thumbnails for it. Okay? So what we need to do is to take a screenshot here. So come over to my channel, take a screenshot, and put it here. Now it's going to learn from how those thumbnails look, and all we need to do is to give it a title, and it's going to generate our thumbnails. As easy as that, okay? Easy. Now, come over here, go to copy all. So this is done, this is our transcripts, and go over to Claude. Paste it, and tell Claude something like this. Hey Claude, so with reverse engineering a new channel today, what I want you to do is to learn from these transcripts, learn from how the videos are made, learn from the kind of ideas that get more of use than others, learn from how their idea titles, learn everything as much as you can, because you're going to go ahead and research and find us winning video ideas that we can also make this week. And what you're going to go ahead and do is when I choose video idea, you're also going to give me the titles for it, and going to give me the titles for it. And when I ask for the script, you're also going to give me the script so we can make the video. Boom, something like that. It's going to start learning from it. And this is what we're going to get our title, our script, our video idea, right? That we're going to use to generate our voiceover, which we're going to use to make our video. So boom, as you can see, it's giving us some video ideas, all right? Some more World War II video ideas. Boom, that we can make. Boom, and this is a little story here. You can review it before you choose your video edit. So I'm going to pick the first one, and I'm going to tell it to give us a title and give me the script. I'm just going to get the intro for now because this is a tutorial and I don't want to generate the full script just yet. So Claude, I want you to give me the title and script for this video idea. Just give me the intro script for now. And you. And we're going to go ahead and paste that video idea. And this is where we're going to get our title, we're going to get our script. And after that, I'm going to show you how to generate those thumbnails. I'm asked about how to generate the voiceovers for free. And after that, how to make your video compiler for free. Well, mostly not free because you're going to be using Claude Code to build it. Because if you have an hour, you can easily build your very own that works for you, no bugs, video system that's going to search sentiments for bureaus, compile it together, and gives you a full video. So you can have a full automation where you can pump out these videos for like 3 to 4 videos a day, even if you wanted to. So we have our title here. Boom. Copy this. Go over here. All you have to do is to put your title right here in the placeholder, right? This is our prompt. Or if I touch the screenshot, remember, now we're going to go ahead and click generate. As easy as that, all right? Come back here, scroll down. This is our script. Now, what do you do with the script? You need to generate your voiceover, right? So I'm just going to get something like this. Go over to AI City, and this way you can generate it for completely free. Fair? Come over to us today. Go ahead and go to speech, text to speech, everyday assistant. Click this to choose your voice. Find yours pretty good. Go ahead and replace this and put it here. You can choose the voice you want, the tone. So we don't put this tone, something like energetic. Energetic. Tone. And I'm going to click. This is going to generate our voiceover. And this voiceover is going to be the audio to our video. Right? So now that it's generating, let's look at our thumbnails. And what would you know? Perfect thumbnails. Perfect thumbnails. why Japanese admirals couldn't explain why American fleet never returned to port. Vanished. Boom. As you can see,
October 14th, 1944. A Japanese reconnaissance pilot named Hideo Maki.
Voiceover is perfect, incredibly realistic. As you can see, this is how we make our own documentaries, right? You only have the voiceover here. Now, the easiest part, the arguably easiest part, if you have the right mindset, and that is generating these videos. Because these are not actually videos. Most of them are AI generated photos, and most of them most of them are AI generated photos, right? As you can see right here. You might think, oh, these are real. Most of them are AI photos. And then for the videos like this, it's all found by AI agents, which you're going to build, and I'm going to show you. How do you do this? You come over to Claude. This is Claude code, all right? Over the Claude code and put in this prompt. Put in this prompt and spend about 10 minutes of your time, and you're going to have your own video system, okay? Take one video from my channel, paste the link here, and describe what you want. Okay, this is the video here, and say something like, hey, Claude, so this is the video. This is the channel I'm trying to reverse engineer. What I'm doing in these videos is completely automated. The visuals, most of them are AI generated, I'll have mentioned it. We need an extremely lightweight browser system that I can give it a script, I can give it the title of our video, I can give it the length and how many images it should be added, and we're going to go ahead and have an efficient system that either searches the internet for B-rolls or generates their images with AI and clips it together to make a video. That's it. If you have 40 minutes, sit together with Claude Code and you're going to build your own system that's going to be pumping out videos for you on an autopilot. This is how you do YouTube nowadays, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? This is the only way to do YouTube and win. So that's how you would make these videos, right? And if you want to go ahead and start off the right way, you need to have a pre-monetized channel so you're not paying and making videos for free, right? You won't be paid on day one. You want to see your earnings increase so you never get demotivated. So to do that, get a pre-monetized channel. Click the link below. If you learned something from this video, like and subscribe, and goodbye.